I got this 10-inch foam ring from Dollar Tree and this jute from Hobby Lobby. Attaching my end with a piece of packaging tape to get me started. I wrap the jute around the ring, making sure that I'm nice and making things nice and tight as I'm going around. It is a little time consuming, but it's not too bad. I'm going to speed this camera up so you don't have to watch me do the entire thing. It's pretty basic. And then towards the end, you're just going to want to slip the last piece into itself. And then I just took a little bit of hot glue and touched in that area just to keep everything secure. I found this burlap from Walmart. And I'm cutting 2 pieces of each color. I had red, blue, and white. And my strips are about 10 inches long. Using floral wire, I took my strip and I folded it into itself twice. Wrapped it around, gave it a twist at the top, and tied it with the floral wire around the top of the burlap. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to do it again so you can get what I'm saying. So you're going to take your strip, fold it twice, and at the top, you're going to twist it and tie it with a piece of floral wire. Now I did this with each color, and then I did each color a second time. Now I'm going to go through this really slow just so you can really get what I'm doing. You're going to take your ribbon and you're going to fold it twice. You're going to wrap it around your wreath. At the top, you're going to twist it and hold it. And take a piece of floral wire and tie it around the top twist. And tie it tight. And then you just clip off your excess wire. Now I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and clip off any excess ribbon, making sure that each one is pretty much the same size. This type of tie looks better a little shorter anyway, in my opinion. So I found this red truck at Dollar Tree. And I removed the stem or pole that it's on. It was quite easy by just removing it from the back. It's really just a piece of aluminum. It's not that tough to cut. I did find these little clippers to cut them. And I just hot glued the truck to the top of the wreath and then used a jute hanger in the back to hang them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And for paint products, brushes, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.